In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off the microphone of your Xbox Series X or S for a specific app or for all apps. Okay, so what you need to do is to go into the settings menu of your Xbox. If you're not on this page, press on the Xbox logo, navigate all the way to the right side down to settings. So from here, you're gonna go under online safety and family, selected. Then select the first option, privacy and online safety. Go down and select app privacy. And from here, you're gonna go down where it says microphone. And here you can turn on and off the mic. Here, it means that it will turn off for every single app that you have. Or you can select manually which app can have access to your mic. So here I only have one, but you may have a list of many. So you just have to check them and uncheck, and this is about it. When you're done, press B a few times and go ahead and continue doing what you were doing before. So this is it. This was very quick. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.